Hello there, everyone. It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I'm bringing you another video today about older vehicle upgrades and why it can be less expensive to update your older vehicle than it can be to buy a new one, especially if the vehicle is in great shape like this 2011 BMW 328i. Now, I'm briefly just going to tell you, today I am my own videographer, so I don't have anybody filming me. I'm Coverall Jeff today. I just finished doing this install with my coworker Igor. And what we installed today was a brand new Blaupunkt CALI1000 10.1 inch receiver, a Crux BMW specific handle camera, and an access steering wheel control interface. Now, I know many of you may not know what all those parts are, but today I'm going to make this video and show you exactly what they are and how they made this BMW even better than when it came in this morning. So let me pan the camera over to the vehicle. Here's the rear end of the vehicle here. I'm going to show you the camera. So the camera I mentioned was a BMW handle camera, which you can see integrates right in the trunk release handle. So the vehicle came with a release handle, but we changed it, and the handle that we installed has the camera built into it. So when you view the vehicle from back here, you don't even know that there's a camera. It looks factory fit OEM. If I come over here, I'll just briefly show you the products that we installed. So here's the box for the CALI1000. Here's the steering wheel control. Here is the backup camera box. Those are the products that are in this vehicle right now. And then if we go over here and I show you inside the vehicle, you're gonna see a gigantic 10.1 inch screen coming out of the dash there. This is the size of screen that the customer specified. He wanted the largest screen that he could get. So here we go. We installed the largest screen that we could. So this particular older vehicle, being a BMW 328i, has what we call a single DIN radio opening. That means that the radio opening is basically about that high, whereas a double DIN would be about that high. This vehicle comes with a single DIN opening. It can be converted to a double DIN, but in this particular instance, we stuck with the single DIN size. That's what this receiver offers, is single DIN mounting with a floating 10.1 inch touchscreen. This particular touchscreen is powered by the Android operating system, which is really unique because you can add apps. So you can do things like watch YouTube, go to Google Maps, Google Play Store. It's really an Android tablet in the dash of your vehicle. Now, full disclosure, we don't recommend that you watch YouTube while you're driving the vehicle, but if you wanted to, you've got the app right there if the radio was paired to a Wi-Fi hotspot. Why would you want to pair it to a Wi-Fi hotspot other than the apps? Well, productivity. You essentially have a Android tablet / computer in your dash. So you can see how far we've updated this older vehicle. We've made this vehicle a productivity workhorse. You could pair a Bluetooth keyboard to this radio and you could actually do emails. You could do work right from the dash of your car. So let me just go back to what I was talking about with the backup camera. I'll put the vehicle in reverse and check that out right there. One of the largest backup camera screens you can get. You can see we're pulling a car into our install bay right now, and you can see that we add guidelines with these backup cameras, so it helps the customer know how far away they are from a person or a vehicle. So hope you enjoyed this video. I won't go into too much more detail about the product. What I wanted to do was just kind of give you a concept overview of what you can do to an older vehicle in terms of upgrades and updates. This particular vehicle obviously has one of the larger sized screen radios. We don't normally install things of this size, and you don't have to do a radio of that size either, but it gives you an idea that what is possible in an older vehicle. And we've certainly made this vehicle updated and upgraded to 2026 standards. So I hope you enjoyed me, Coverall Jeff, today, explaining the concepts and the things that you can do to an older vehicle, just like we did in our previous video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And if you need to reach us, 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, or visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Thanks for watching. We look forward to making more videos for you in the future.